La 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 la. I am not kidding you when I say I literally needed to like mentally prepare for this. Hi, hello, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. If this is your first time on my page, I am a full-time content creator, writer, streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm gonna be unboxing and using, it's not really unboxing actually. I'm just gonna be opening something up and kind of talking about some makeup, but this specific product I like literally needed to have a moment for. If you like kind of makeup tutorials a little bit more laid back, a little bit more stylized, or you just kind of want to like vibe and hang out here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you want to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and comment something down below, it greatly helps my page like with the algorithm and all that jazz. So thank you, literally thank you so much if you do. Discoverability is on YouTube, and I have had this channel for a long time, so I really appreciate, especially as I post more now than I probably ever have on here, I really appreciate any engagement. Also, if you want to send it to any of your besties or any of your friends that watch YouTube, thank you so much. I hear that sometimes when people are like, oh yeah, so-and-so sent me your videos, and now I'll cry. I literally cry. But also, if you're returning, hi bestie. Hey, thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot. Now let's get into it. When I even saw the whisperings of this product, I'm not kidding you, I felt like my body temperature rise. My heart started to race. This kind of a product is one of my favorite things in the entire world, but I also feel like I am incredibly critical of this type of product because some of them are so bad. However, when I saw Necromancy was going to be making this, I threw a freaking party. Yeah, dude, I did not hesitate. These were on the app, like early access for like 24 hours. And listen, it's $38. So I did only buy one, and that is still not cheap. However, I do know that this is a duo, and I'm really hoping that this becomes like one of my next favorite things, just based on how I've fallen in love with products like this in the past and some of my, like, dare I say, holy grail products. It's like this. The amount of DMs that I got when these got like kind of like teased was crazy. So yes, I did see them. Yes, I do want them all. I'm so serious. This is one of those things that I'm like, I do want every shade. However, again, $38, so I gotta pace myself. And also, I don't know, you know, I hope that I love the formula. I hope that I will love this, but I don't know yet. This is the Necromancy Colorfix Stix Multi-Use Pigment Stick, and I got the shade Duo 1, which this one has Mystic, Taupe, and Interstellar. So I do think that is cool that both of those names are the Duo 1, and Duo 1 just also looked, honestly, just so stunning. They all look stunning, okay? If anyone from the Necromancy team sees this, hello, I love you so much. I have gotten some lovely packages from them in the past, but this is kind of one of those things that like I didn't really want to like miss out on. And PR, just like I never really know, and I also don't want to just like assume. So anyway, I just need to use this a little bit right now. Oh my god, dude, I'm literally so excited. My mouth is watering. This is such a me product. It's actually insane. Oh my god. Oh Lord. So you can, okay. It's magnetized, so you can do different duos. Like if I got another duo, I could mix up the duo combo. That's a freaking intense magnet too. That is no joke. Okay, so here is the packaging, which is a little hard to show because it's like so reflective, but it's silver. I already got my fingerprints on it. That's okay. I don't care if my makeup looks used because I'm going to use it. But we've got Mystic, Taupe over here, and then I think Interstellar over here. This is the foil side, and this is the metallic side. So I'm going to take off the foil. Oh, I like the size of this too. That's quite handy, especially if you want to just travel like with one or something. And the name is also on the bottom, which I appreciate. So this is one Interstellar foil. I'm liking that like the packaging and the information for what the shade is still on this part, so that if I do want to kind of like deconstruct it, it can just be, you know, all here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, now you need to keep this so it doesn't dry out. So this little plastic part, I would imagine, I didn't read any instructions, but due to other products that I have these, I always keep this with. Even if it doesn't even like say in big, huge font, hey, keep this so it doesn't dry out, I'm gonna keep this because I know that this is 50% water, 50% pearl. And water, when it's exposed to air, will dry up. So you wanna keep it sealed. Let's actually see. Does it say anywhere on here? It does say on here, prismatic duo for eyes, lips, and face. That is very exciting to me. Refreshing water bursts, magnetic mix and match freedom system. I am gonna scream. To use pigment stick. Let's freaking go, dude. Alrighty. Oh god, oh lord, it already looks stunning. Oh sweet god, yep, that looks exactly like what I was hoping for. Oh you see that? Yes, dude. Maybe I just give a little, maybe it's a little swatch. You know what? No, I'm just gonna put it straight up on my eye. I'm gonna scroll that down just a touch because I'm scared. So this is the foil. Rerouting, is I would wager that the foil is gonna be more intense. This is the metallic, and this is Mystic Taupe. I like the sound of that. Oh, ooh. Oh, look at that shade. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of Mystic Taupe first. I'm just gonna like do a little swipe. Oh my God. Oh no, it's stunning. Oh no, it's literally so stunning. Even barely putting it on. Has a little purple. Oh, I see the purple. I see the gray in that. Oh, look how sparkly. Holy crap. It feels wet. Feels like water. No, that is so stunning. This is my new favorite thing. This is already my new favorite thing. Everyone shut up. Stop it right now. Oh no. This feels familiar to other shadow sticks that I have like this, but the effect of that being so shimmery shiny. Gonna kind of blend in the edges here. Oh God, I knew I would love that. Yeah. Oh, I love this shade. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Vanessa, if you're watching this, I love you. I love you. Oh, that snap is satisfying. The snap? Satisfying. I do enjoy that. Okay, now before I move to the other eye, I must use this foil. This one is Interstellar? Yeah, this one's Interstellar. And I'm just gonna put it like on top and probably bring it up a little bit like I usually do. So I'm just gonna kind of like drag right in here. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Dude, hello? Dude, hello? Insane. That is insane. That's insane. That's so stunning and glorious. That's so shimmery, shiny, like fairy dust pretty, but that is so incredibly impactful at the same time. Oh dear God. Oh my Lord. Oh, please. Oh, this is gonna make doing this so easy. I love stick products that perform well and do something that maybe takes a couple steps and just makes it like, oh my God. I'm gonna scream. I need to breathe, actually. Where's the cap for this? Hello? Right in front of me, don't worry. Yeah, I'm already obsessed. Unfortunately, I'm already very obsessed. I can feel it coursing through my veins and body and mind. Oh, let me do the other eye. Shut up, dude. Like, shut up. This is so pretty. Bro. Oh, unbelievably gorgeous. That tone. Wow, good Lord. Sweet heavens. I'm just gonna swatch these on my hand too, so you can kind of just get another little look at them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, well, okay. And what if I took a little bit down here? Just like a little tiny touch. Good God. A little bit here. And then what? Then I'm even more adorable. That's what. Oh my God. Good Lord. Okay, yeah, dude, yeah. The texture, the experience went even better than I thought that it would, and I was already prepared for greatness. This is very impactful. This is so shimmery, it's actually insane. I would be lying if I were to sit here and be like, okay, this is probably only the only color I'm interested in. No, unfortunately, now I'm so curious about the rest of them. It feels like that water cooling kind of like feel, but like, wow. I feel like sometimes I was just like tapping and it created this really pretty fairy dust kind of sparkle. But then obviously when I was like swiping, especially like on my lid, like it's very concentrated. It is very reflective. Here are the swatches on my hand, and I still even feel like the swatches don't even really do it justice because the taupe one on the bottom is even more sparkly. Like you can kind of see like when it's not in direct light and not just like bam in your face, you see all the little tiny millions, maybe not millions, but like all of the individual like sparkles that are kind of happening. Like right, you see that right there? Yes, that is what I am talking about, dude. Because like straight on with light, sometimes it's like bam silver, like that, like bam reflective. Then when you get into that low light kind of sparkle, oh my God, oh my God, oh my heavenly stars. It's just stunning. It's just stunning. Now, I know people are going to probably get out their calculators and see how much product is in these and do all the mathematics behind it. However, with products like this, I like to wait and see. I go through products like this, and even products that I have similar to this that I have used dang near every freaking day, I have still not gotten to the ends of, and they were smaller components than this. Again, I would have to like, do some math, but also I predict that these will be one of my most used products. I'm telling you right now, for this year and for moving forward, this kind of a quick little with this amount of sparkle, this is what I'm talking about. It feels high quality. It's not like super weighted that it's like heavy, but it's also not feeling like it's light plastic going to break on me. And I need that with something like this because I travel with stuff like this. I'm going to events, I'm doing things, I'm taking makeup bags and little crossbodies and stuff with me. And likely I will take one of these when I do that. So many things go into why I purchase something, not only how this will perform and behave like on its own, but how I will use it in my collection. This is one of my favorite kind of products. The first time that I tried something like this, I immediately fell in love. The fact that you can use this all over your face, your lips, your eyes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually, you know what? As a little nose highlight? As a nose highlight, do you think it would do? Would think it'd be cute? I think my nose is kind of oily right now, so let me just do a little like one of these and let's see. I'm gonna put Interstellar on my nose. A little bit of that. Oh my God. Okay, wait. A little too far. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God. God, I knew these were gonna be good. I knew these were gonna be good. Wow. I'm so happy that I purchased this, and I am so happy to see that this looks like this and looks like that. Because swatches can be very pretty, but sometimes on the eyes, it's a different story, or maybe doesn't lay down. Obviously, by the time you're seeing this too, I've probably further fallen in love with this product and given it a couple more goes, but I will be curious to see, like, even sometimes with products like this that look like this right now, I will probably layer it just to see what happens if I have like 6 layers of this on. When does it crease? When does it do this? When, sometimes not if, but when, it's going to maybe like, you know, some of the sparkle kind of whisper away. Who knows? It feels like it's very adhered to my lid, not in a sticky, nasty way, but it doesn't feel very light. And I think that water and that kind of like combination feels familiar enough that I do think it will last, but we will see, and I will let you know. But I really cannot tell you how happy I am with this. This might be one of my favorite makeup purchases, period. I just know myself. I know the things that I really treasure and enjoy, and I already know. I already feel it. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh, and you could put this, you did so many looks, so many ideas. I'm just thinking so many things of how I can use this already, dude. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't stop looking. I can't stop looking at my eyes right now. Danessa. Woo! Oh my God. Wow. Because I only have one, this is kind of like all I really wanted to talk about. And I think that's it, honestly. I really want to know y'all's thoughts on this product. So please leave a comment down below what you think of these. If you're excited about them, if you like kind of shiny, glittery products. I feel like there is now a time where like I'm less impressed by like cheaper or cheaply made glitters that don't last. Like if I'm going to get a glitter, I want it to stay on my lids. I'm wearing my makeup for a very long time. So like I feel like I'm incredibly critical of the kind of like sparkly things that I like. Also too, because there's a lot of sparkly things that are not good for like my sensitive eyes. Like I've had some issues with sparkle stuff in the past, particularly sparkle things that like literally should not be on your eyes or near your eyes. So I'm happy to see that like this says like, hey, you can put it on your eyes. You can do, you know, stuff like that. Because some products try to like find the loophole to be like, oh, shiny thing. I mean, you could put it on your eyes. And then I'm at the eye doctor because my freaking lens is ripped. So anyway, basically, I just feel less inclined to like try every glitter out there because I would much rather, in my mind, save up for something like this that is going to take me a lot further, that I can wear a lot more ways, than trying like 6 other glitters that are maybe a little bit cheaper and that will, you know, either irritate my eyes or not perform as well, or I'm gonna have to like use 3 times as much of it to get the effect that I want, and then it doesn't last. You know, I think we've all been there. So anyway, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. If you want to go ahead and give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, that would be great too, and I would really appreciate any engagement. So thank you so much for being here and just spending your time here. Like, thank you. And as always, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow. Woo, wow. Yep. Oh.